Hey you, yes you, stop scrolling. Luminous whispers. The silence isn't empty. It speaks. In the quiet moments, in the subtle gestures, there's wisdom waiting to be heard. Every whisper carries a truth. Every word, a path forward. The answers don't shout. They murmur, gently guiding you to what you've always known. Will you listen? Why don't Buddhists argue about politics? Because they've already reached a state of inner peace. And the government can't take it away. Terrible joke. Next. How do monks feel about political debates? They think it's all just a matter of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Good one. Next. How do monks view political promises? Like clouds, temporary, passing, and ultimately empty. Good one. Next. What did the priest say when asked about the political debate? Let's not argue. Let's pray for a higher power to help them make better decisions. Good one. Next. Why did these Zen masters sit in the House of Commons? To prove that true stillness can survive any amount of shouting. Good one. Next. What did the monk say to the corrupt politician? You've mastered illusion. Now try mastering the self. Good one. Next. What's a monk's campaign slogan? No promises, just presence. Good one. Next. I hope you enjoyed today's journey. Remember, laughter is a universal language, and love is the bridge that connects us all. Keep smiling, keep sharing, and let's spread joy together. Subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching.